Back on the Corollas. I've got the yellow car outside now, pretty much stripped. Still need to cut a few things out of it, but I'm gonna get this car in there and start getting that apart so I can see exactly what I need. But here's the yellow car currently. One good part of it, the floors, and that's about it. I'm gonna need to cut out the tunnel to put in the yellow car, so I'm gonna actually cut that out. I've seen some people build a little plate and drill the holes, but I'd rather just get that piece, do it properly. And then I still need to get the noot off the front. I need to figure out how to get that off properly. I've seen some people drill out some spot welds, but it's really hard to see where it's actually mounted. So I'm just gonna leave that for now and get onto the other car. But I'm gonna give this a quick clean, get it in the garage. This is the last time it's gonna be a nice little grandpa car. Soon to be a nice little 5-speed race car, which is gonna be sick. What do you think, Ruby? Pull your car apart? Pull your car apart? What do you reckon? Sound good? Sniff. Oi, look at me. Hello. Just gonna have one more drive, about 100 meters, and then this is gonna be gone forever. Before I can get started on the rollers though, gotta get the FC out of the garage. I gotta strip the other bumper, take all the lights out. Then I've got to take the body kit off this one so I can do some repairs to it. So first of all, take that off, put it in storage and get this car out of here. Decided to change it up a little bit with a fresh cap that Jordan gave me. Fresh cap from Munchie's Berwick, if you don't know. Pretty sweet. Gonna give the little roller a little hose down, just get all the dust off because it's been sitting outside. And then a little cleanup and it's going in the garage. This is why we're here. Oh my gosh, it's just never ending. So, it's just never ending. Finally got this out. Auto box, yep, crushed my finger, mint. Finally got this out. Spent about half the time trying to get 2 bolts out the top of here, which are just hidden by junk, so that was awesome. But there's the Weasley little auto. Where'd I put the other one? Ah, so good. So here's the Weasley little auto pedal. Yuck. There's Ruby. Here's the cool boy. Oh, double pedal action. That's what we're talking about. What do you reckon, Snoop? Good for your car? Yeah. So, finally getting closer to that. It took me ages to get that out. You see by all the tools I've got on the floor how much I was struggling. But it's finally out. So I've stripped some of the interior, which you have to do to get into there. So that was a lot of fun. But finally making some progress on this car at least. Haven't even started the front yet, but thought I'd get in here and do this fiddly stuff, which I wasn't looking forward to. It is feeling quite overwhelming again, but just slowly think if I just plug away at it, make progress like this, it'll feel better to get stuff put into it, but taking it apart is part of the process, so just got to keep going. Also realised I haven't even shown off the engine bay of this car, so I'll have a quick look before I pull some of it apart. But it's pretty clean. Nice little 4K. Completely stock grandpa car, as I've said before. What else? So yeah, I was thinking I'd probably pull this out, pull it all out as one, then I can tidy this up a bit more. It's got some oil leaks and stuff, so just get on that. But yeah, we'll just see how we go. I think it'll be easier just to pull it all out and assemble the gearbox and clutch and everything out of the car. I'm going to pack up for today and then get started on the front tomorrow. Now this is apart, so just keep plugging away. Hello dudes and dudettes. Finally back on the roller. Big thing I got to start off today with is a big clean. Did a heap of work on the FC over the last couple of weeks because we wanted to get to Sakura Picnic, so did a heap of work on that. Ruby's just doing a poo, so hello again, Ruby. Yeah, did a heap of work on the FC to get it ready for Sakura Picnic, so I've made a massive mess of the garage, but looking pretty good. So this is my new body kit. It's a BN Sports style kit, not the big kit that you used to see on like Haraguchi's car, but kind of a slightly smaller kit, but still a fair bit of drop on it over the stock kit. Still got something in the plans for the color, but not telling you that yet. So everyone's kind of seen this at this point. Also check out this. Oh my gosh. It looks a lot lower in person, but it's got some droppies in the back supplied by Michael, who came and did a little swap with me. He needed some parts, so this has got some lowered springs in it for now to keep it moving around, and then this will just be all spares for the other car, obviously. But here's what it's looking like at the moment. So this car's pretty much completely stripped out. Still need to get a few little bits of sheet metal for the other car, but that's about it. And then all the suspension will come out, and then this is the whole shell's going off. So yeah, I've been doing a lot. I didn't film any of the FC stuff because I just really wanted to get it done, and I'd kind of already filmed some body kit stuff, so I wasn't really interested in that. But now we're back on the roller, so hoping today to at least start getting it ready to get the engine pulled out. Was hoping to get it out today, but I'm running out of time because we've got a gig tonight, which is unfortunately being stunted a lot by COVID, but we're still going to be playing. So going to get back on this, start pulling it apart. Don't know what else to tell you really, but just keep going, plugging away. So I've already pulled out the automatic pedal out of this car. Was an absolute piece of shit of a job, especially the two bolts. Which ones is it? It's either these ones or these ones are an absolute jerk, and just you can't get room to get into it. There's wiring comes across here and shit. It's just terrible. But here's the manual for comparison. So very similar, but they're a little bit this one's a little bit wider. It's got some extra bracketry on it and stuff, so yeah, you can see a difference. So you do actually need the manual pedals, obviously. But yeah, good times. But as you can see, big mess. I built a new intake for the FC. What else did I do? Messed around with some other bits like that. I actually ended up putting a catch can on it. So that's what all this junk is. New toy, which is the fucking best. And then I've also got this lovely pan rod hard bar, or whatever you call it. This was given to me by Michael. I'll throw up his Instagram. He's got a fucking sick Celica, so check that out. But he gave me this. He's a full mad dog. Thank you. Massive shout out to you, my man. Pulled the drive shaft out. So been under there having fun again. And then I've just spent like an hour trying to pull the radiator out. All the lines were seized on. Had to get a little sharp boy in there and stretch them out. And then even that wasn't enough. So I had to get some multi-grips on there and just grab them and twist them till they loosened off. But finally got them out. Really struggled with the automatic gearbox coolant lines as well. They were bloody seized on. So finally got that out. So making some room to get this thing out. It's very slow progress, but like I said in the other video, just slowly grinding away at it. Make sure I get some done. And yeah, so just plotting along. Here's how it's looking at the moment. Also wanted to show you guys, everything looks so nice up here, and then, you know, things can be deceiving. It's absolutely caked in oil. It's absolutely disgusting. As you can see down here, if you can see anything, it's just filthy. All under here, all caked. I gave that a quick wipe and you see how thick it is. It's actually meant to be paint under there, not black. So, oh well, getting there eventually, slowly.